Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Again, this is Mr. Nino Humao Ascaturza, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. And welcome to our YouTube channel. So this one is for sale. We are here at Barangay Kamambugan, Ubay, Bohol. Very close from approximately 200 meters from airport. So airport in Ubay. So this is the property, guys. It's like a square in size. This is ideal for residential, commercial, or boarding house development, no? Because there is also a Ubay Community College. There is a school nearby. More or less from here to highway, it's around 1 hectare, 1 kilometer or less than 1 kilometer. So this property going there to the house up to that corner beside. So you know, guys, Ubay is a very progressive town also, a first class municipality in northern Bohol. So approximately from Tagbilaran City, which is around 2 to 3 hours drive. I say 3 hours because sometimes if you're riding a bus, but depends upon the driver, no, because sometimes it arrive around 2 hours. But if you are riding a van higher, it's around 2 hours or less than 2 hours sometimes, no. So Ubay is really a progressive town. Already have a Pure Gold Mall, McDonald's, seaport, and more developments. Then they have also the Alturas, no? It's a big company also. Then they have a ferry going to Leyte. Although Ubay also where the buses from Manila were traversed to Ubay, then Leyte, Samar, then Bicol. So that is the good news, no? So regarding to this property, it's really a potential property. See? Sakto na ang siyo na ko ato. So it's really a very potential property, no? All are flat terrain. So it depends upon how to design sometimes, no, because there are portions that are with water. There are holes made by the Carabao. So the property is really good, like farming, good for farming. Water, you need to dig a well, so there's no problem, no, if you dig a well. And this is really reasonable price, 350 pesos per square meter only. So see, so you can convert this into a rice field, no? Wala gamita. They are not already using because the owner is not around. They are living somewhere in Manila. So we have also another for sale property, but a little bit distance from here, is around same price, but this is one of the best investment. So depende lang natin, no, kung paano natin i-develop yung mga, gawan lang natin ng tamang drainage para yung tubig hindi talaga kasi medyo flat lang talaga siya. Mas mabuti dito medyo mataas pa ng kaunti. Okay, let's continue to I will show you the airport and the school, the fire station, including the RHU, Rural Health Center in Ubay. So maganda to, pag mabili mo to medyo mura pa, kasi pag ano ba yun, if time come na maging city na to, wala na, mahal na, so expensive. So the reason why it's still very cheap, no, the road it's not yet developed. So you can see, if you have a car, maybe you need to use not a pickup car, do not use a guys, automobile. Maybe we leave it in the highway. So makita natin yun, perimeter fence ng ano, airport. I heard in the news that the governor has already negotiations with the other business sector, because I think they are operating with the airport soon. So maganda to pag operation na talaga yung airport, tapos meron ka dito, so bingo ka, kasi malakas, mahal na talaga ang lupa. Although the properties nearby here is already at 1,000 pesos per square meter. It is for sale, or it was for sale, and at 1,000 pesos per square meter. Oh, yun. Okay, let's continue to the airport, guys. Proceed. So ito po yung daanan, guys, no? Rough road aside from those, ano, pero mas maganda dito. Ito mga side dito, mga for sale to, guys, pero nasa tag 1,000 pesos ang per square meter. Malapit lang sa atin, yung 350. So malapit lang. Ito maganda naman pag natuloy itong concreting. So that is already the perimeter fence of the airport, guys. So ito is for sale po to, guys, pero they are selling at 5,000 pesos per square meter. So nasa ano sila, tabi ng airport. Concrete road to, malapit lang. Concrete road. Oh, yun, concrete road na. So, pag natuloy na itong concrete road, guys, siguro hindi muna yun mabili ng pag 350. So kasi ito na yung pong airport ko, guys. Ito na po yung airport. So this is the airport, guys, no? Yung lupa ang binibinta natin, guys, doon lang banda. So doon lang banda. So soon, kasi may mga nakita natin sa social media o saka mga ano, mga balita na may mga negosasyon talaga sa mga business sector na baka mag-operate na ang airport soon, no? So mataas to, airport. Tapos bakit potential yung property natin binibenta, guys? Because may eskwelahan din dyan, no? Puntahan natin mamaya. At saka yung ongoing construction ng Rural Health Unit, no? RHU, Rural Health Center, at saka fire station. Puntahan natin, i-ano lang natin, parang i-tour lang natin, guys, okay? So dito may ano dito, ano ba yung tawag yung drag race or mga, basta dito sila magganap ng mga racing. So maganda to guys, maganda ang investment. Pag mag-invest ka sa Ubay, mas maganda din kasi progressive na talaga. We will continue later ha sa ano, sa yung sa RHU. Okay? So ito po yung Rural Health Center, no. Ongoing construction po yan, at saka yung Ubay Community College, saka itong fire station. Pero kung gusto kayong may ipakulong, nandyan din ang jail district ng Ubay, nandito din, parang bandang ganyan lang. So everything is almost here na guys. So maganda pag bumili tayo ng property, no, kasi yung lupa natin binibenta di man masyadong malaki, pero at saka mura lang. So I repeat, the size we are selling is 5,975 at 350 pesos per square meter, very close from airport. Ubay Community College yan po, Ubay Community College yan, Ubay Community College yan. Ayan, okay. Tapos Rural Health Center, saka yung jail district doon sa likuran, at saka itong fire station. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title, and if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. Bohol and Cebu lang po guys, pero kung may ibibinta kayo talaga sa ibang bayan o somewhere around in the Philippines, just try to send me documents and video so that we can put on our YouTube channel. Again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.